Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Guys, today in this video I'll be talking about some predefined sketch profile like rectangles, etc. So let's open a part, define the unit and select a plane and click on the sketch. So as I have told that I'm going to start about predefined sketch. These all are predefined sketch called like rectangle. In the rectangle you can see here you have here 5 kind of rectangle, so you can choose according to your requirement. So first one you can see here, corner rectangle. Corner rectangle, because your input will be the corner, so first you have to click on the 2 point and both the corner point of the rectangles. You can see here I'll be starting from this is the first point of the rectangle and this is the end point of the rectangles. Now you can see here this is your rectangle. In the same way, inside of this you have some options here. You can see here add constructions. So as this is selected, that's the reason this construction line is coming. Now you can see here I'll be drawing one more rectangle in that there is no construction lines. In the same way, inside of this construction line you'll be having two options. So in the first one you can see from the corner. So as from the corner option is selected, you can see here the construction lines are connected from corner to corner. But if you want to get the construction line from the midpoint, you can see here now I'm going to create one more rectangle. This is the first point and this is the second corner. Now you can see here how it's coming. You can see here next is center rectangle. Center rectangle means your starting point will be the center. So suppose I want to start a rectangle, center will be this origin. Now you can see here how it's coming. In the same way the construction line is coming in the center to center. This is totally depend on you according to your requirement. The sketch relations and all these things we'll see later when we'll be talking about the concept fully define, over define and under defines. Next you can see here you have one more options, that's called 3-point corner rectangle. You can see here 3-point corner, name itself you can understand. 3 point, you have to click on the 3 point and all the points are corner point. Like I want to start here, this is the first point, this is the second point and this is the third point. This is the third point. Now you can see here this is the third point. In the same way you are having here one more option, 3-point center rectangle. So 3-point center rectangle, here you will be having one is center point, other one is corner point and other one is middle point. So this output is almost same, so it totally depend on your requirement how you want to create the rectangles. And the last one is you can see here you have here parallelogram. This is also quite 3 point, you have to click on this 3 point. This is your first point, this is your second point and third point, how you want to create it. Due to the parametric features, later also you can give the dimension, it will take the shape according to your requirement. I'll move on to those things later. Now I will remove all these things. I'll go for the circle. See, in the circle we have here two kinds of circle. First is center. Center in the sense you will be having only the input is center and the radius, or else you can give the diameter, whatever you can change it. And the second one is 3-point rectangle. For drawing the 3-point rectangle I'll take a help of line. Like I want to create a circle which will be passing through these 3 points. This is 1 point, this is 1 point and this origin is 1 point. So you can go with this. Now you can click on this point, second point and this is your third point. These all are totally according to your requirement. You can choose according to your requirement. how you want to create, or in your design how they have given the input. It's totally up to you. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned with us and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.